If you're looking to streamline your board meeting management, Monday.com is a powerful tool to consider. In this quick guide, we'll break down how to use Monday.com for board meetings, from organizing agendas to tracking action items, all while keeping your team on the same page. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a game changing alternative that might be even better for this specific purpose. First up, let's talk about setting up a board for your meetings. Monday.com is known for its highly customizable boards. You can easily create a board for each board meeting or recurring meetings. You can label each column based on the specific details that are important to your meeting, like topics, deadlines, or action items. This lets you see everything in one place, so you're never scrambling for that one document or agenda item. Next thing, let's talk about managing the agenda. With Monday.com, you can create a timeline or use the simple list format to assign tasks and due dates for each meeting topic. By having an agenda preset, you not only ensure you're staying on track, but you can also prepare your team ahead of time for what's coming up. You can also easily drag and drop tasks and meetings around if things change. Now, let's move on to tracking action items. After each board meeting, action items can be assigned to specific people directly in Monday.com. This ensures accountability. Each task is tied to an individual, so there's no guessing who's responsible for what. You can even set automated reminders for deadlines and follow-ups to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Monday.com's notifications keep your team in the loop without the need for constant emails. The fourth thing to mention is collaboration during the meeting. You can use Monday.com to leave comments, attach files, and share notes in real time. This is crucial for teams that are not all in the same room. With everyone able to access the board from anywhere, all members can contribute to the discussion without missing a beat. However, there are a few drawbacks. For one, the learning curve can be steep for those new to the platform, and not everyone will be comfortable with the customization features. Also, while Monday.com is great for creating and managing tasks, it can be a bit too complex for smaller teams or those looking for a simple, straightforward tool. Now, for the part you've been waiting for, I'm going to share an alternative that could be a better fit for board meeting management. Monday.com is excellent for project management, but if your goal is simply to manage and track board meetings with less complexity, there are some alternatives out there. One such option is ClickUp. It provides an easy-to-use interface, along with features that allow you to streamline meetings and actions more effectively. Plus, ClickUp has a robust free trial, making it a great option to explore. By using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to the software. And don't forget, we've also included the best alternatives for board meeting management that also have free trials, so you can make the right choice based on your needs. These alternatives offer unique features that could be a better fit for keeping your meetings organized without getting bogged down in unnecessary complexity. If you're ready to streamline your board meetings, follow the link for the best trial available for Monday.com and its competitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other content for more quick software guides like this one.